I finally did it. I finally bought my dream shoe. My favorite sneaker, one of my favorite sneakers. I have a bunch. My Grail shoe. Guys, I did it. This is by far the most amount of money I've ever spent on one pair of sneakers. And I'm able to do this thanks to you guys. Thank you. You guys have truly changed my entire life. I am grateful, forever grateful for you guys, my audience. Thank you guys. It's able to be done because of you, right? Without you guys, I don't know where I would be, to be honest. I really don't. So thank you guys so much for everything you guys do, whether you guys like the videos, subscribe, comment, DM me on Instagram, everything. Everything you guys do, even the small little thing, it all helps. Thank you guys so much. It's because of you guys I'm able to buy something like this, a Grail like this, an expensive sneaker like this. I'm talking big money. This is by far the most I've ever spent on a sneaker, and to be honest, this is more money than I spent on my first car, which is just crazy to even think about that I'm at this point. It's just, I'm grateful, guys. Grateful. Thank you guys. Thank God. Thank you so much. You know, financially, I'm doing pretty well, like not bad. This is going to be the most money I've ever made in an entire year. So I wanted to do something special for myself. I haven't in a while, and I definitely am grateful. And it's because of you guys. Thank you guys so much for everything. Let's get into the shoe. I am just mind blown that these are beside me right now. I'm going to tell you guys everything I paid, where I got them from, the whole breakdown. Thank you guys. Thank you. I'm so grateful. Thank you. This is insane to me that I have this sneaker in my possession. I purchased these. I own these now. It's just mind-blowing to me, and it's all because of you guys. So let's get into this shoe. I am forever grateful. Let's get into this, man. This is absolutely mind-blowing. We have a huge box. We have a huge box, and if you guys are ready for it, there it is. We have the Air Dior logo on the box. Mind blown. I cannot believe I own these. Let's get into this Grail unboxing. I finally bought one of my dream shoes. I'm just mind blown. I'm speechless. Crazy. So retail on this pair was over $2,000. Take a look at the label. I did get my size. They are size 10. I am usually a 10.5 or an 11 in this model, but I went with a 10. I'm cool with it. Let's see. For that price that I paid and for this size, I'm gonna make it work. I'm not worried about the extra half a size. These are insane. So when you open up, it is magnetic. We have the receipt right here, which alone to me is absolutely crazy. That here is the Dior receipt, the original receipt, final sale, and you do have the Dior on the back. This is crazy. I'm also throughout this video, I'll put up on screen how much I paid. I paid $6,500. Like I said, more money than my first car. But I will show you guys everything. The receipt, the win from the raffle, everything this seller had. I'm going to show you guys everything on screen. Right here we have the tissue paper. You do have Dior lightly on the paper. When you open them up, I am speechless. From this point forward, I cannot believe that he's... Wow. I'm speechless. I want to thank you guys so much for everything you guys do for me. Holy crap. I can't believe these are here, sitting in my hands. I'm also going to tell you guys throughout this video what I plan on doing with these, first of all. Second of all, how I'm gonna justify spending that type of money on this sneaker, because that's a lot. But here they are. Not even the lows, guys. Not even the lows. We got the Dior Air Jordan 1 High. Size 10. and they're dead stock. Yes, sir. They are brand spanking new. DS, the Dior Air Jordan 1 High. Oh my God. Whew. Wow. Wow, man. I have like a lump in my throat right now, guys, to be honest with you. Holy crap. The Diors. The Dior Jordan 1 High. Size 10. Dead stock. $6,500 later. They come with everything. And I'm going to show you guys everything right now. Let's get to the accessories. So here's some extra tissue paper. I'm going to put that to the side for now. And we have a bunch of things to get through. So here is one insole. They do come with extra insoles, which is nice. This is a nice leather, thick leather, I must say. This is pretty cool. A nice leather insole with the Dior logo embossed all over it. Very, very nice. Or debossed, I should say. But yes, very, very dope. Leather insoles in gray. And we have every packaging detail is here, including even, hell, the styrofoam is here in the box on both sides. So they do come with some styrofoam. And we have everything. So let's get into these little pouches. You do have the Air Dior logo there. Let's get into this first pouch. There's a few to get through. I am speechless. So right here we have the Jumpman little hang tag here. Keychain. You can put that on whatever you want. I'm not sure what I'll be doing with this, but that's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. So you do have a Dior little keychain there. Jumpman keychain with Dior logo on the back. Next up, we have another one. There's a few, I believe, to get through here. And it looks like we have the extra laces here in this one. That's what I was looking for. We got the extra laces right here in this sail-like color. Very, very dope with the lace tips saying Dior. That's awesome. So you got extra laces in this pouch. We have a few pouches, which is very, very dope. In this pouch right here, we have, what is this? Ooh, we got the Air Jordan Wings logo, or Air Dior, I should say, Wings logo there. That's very awesome. Air Dior Wings, Ball and Wings logo keychain in this pouch. So that's awesome. You got Air Dior on every single one. So that's a cool detail. And we have, what is this? The dust bags. We have two dust bags. So here's one, Air Dior. That's awesome. I must say, this quality is nuts. The packaging is nuts. At $2,200 retail, $2,200 plus tax, I would hope so. And then you have the Air Dior, another dust bag there. And it looks like another piece of styrofoam. And it looks like that's about it for the accessories. So you have a lot. They definitely come with a lot of accessories. That's crazy. Oh my God. The Dior Air Jordan 1 High. Speechless, guys. Speechless. Let's get through these. These details are absolutely nuts. First off, they do come with a silver or gray, whatever you want to call it, little shoe tree here. The plastic shoe tree that we used to get on the Jordan 11s, but they stopped doing that. But they put it here on the Dior. I do have pair 5,300 of 8,500, if you guys can see that. So that's awesome. I'm just speechless, guys. Wow. Wow, this is definitely my most emotional sneaker pickup, I'll say that, to say the least. I've never been this emotional, this speechless, on a pair of sneakers like this. This is nuts. This is absolutely crazy. So on screen, you guys will see I have the raffle win. Well, not my raffle win, but the seller's raffle win with her name on it. The email, everything matched up. Her name is even on the receipt. Shout out to Erin right here. Her name's even crossed. She crossed it off, but it is there on this original receipt as well. She showed me a bunch of images and everything She even made sure that I got them in with signature confirmation. She paid like $400 to next day ship them. Everything went smooth. Paid through PayPal, invoice $5,000 after I got them in. Made sure they were real, of course, for spending so much freaking money, of course. So I made sure they were real, and boom, I paid her the other $1,500. So all said and done, $6,500. Next day shipping on the Dior Air Jordan 1 High OG here, and I am speechless. So you do have the Nike swoosh has that Dior print all throughout it, which is very, very nice. The Ball and Wings logo there. Take a look at the leather quality, the stitching. It's just insane. Take a look at that swoosh with that Dior print. These are insane, guys. The tongue, you do have here nice wax laces, and then under the tongue, on the tongue itself, you have the Dior's, like, on the tongue. The print is basically Dior print on the tongue itself. And then you got the Dior Air at the top of the tongue. These are just insane. Insane. You got that icy outsole. Dior on one, and the Air Jordan Wings logo on the other. The fact that this pair, as you guys can see, does have a little bit of yellowing to it, just proves even more that they are indeed a real 100% authentic pair. I am speechless, guys. 5,300 out of 8,500. There's only 8,500 pairs. Retail was $2,200 plus tax, which is nuts. What did she pay here? In California, Beverly Hills, she paid $2,409 after tax and everything for this pair. Final sale, of course, on the receipt, and then the Dior logo on the back. These are nuts. The leather quality, I must say, is so good. It's very stiff, I will say that. It's a stiffer leather, but just because it's stiff doesn't mean it's bad leather. This is very high quality. We do not get this on our regular Jordan 1s, that is for sure. After all, it is Dior. Dior is a very expensive luxury brand. Their bags for like women are crazy money, like $5,000 plus. So yeah, Dior is definitely a reputable, up there luxury brand, to say the least. I don't know what else to say, man. Oh my god. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you guys. As you guys can see, I'm a little emotional on this pickup because this is not your traditional Jordan 1. This is not your traditional sneaker at that. And spending so much money, you know, $6,500, I just did it because I wanted to treat myself. You know, I've been working hard. This is the most amount of money I've ever made in my entire life in one single year. So it's all because of you guys at the end of the day. So I wanted to do something special. And here they are, the Dior Air Jordan 1s. I do plan on eventually wearing them. I'm not sure when. I'm going to be honest. I'm not sure when. It's going to be the right occasion, a special occasion. I don't know if I even want to a sneaker event would make sense, but I kind of want it to be more special than just the sneaker event. Does that make sense? And I already got married, and I wouldn't have gotten married in these anyway, I don't think. So, man. This is definitely a special pickup, to say the least. So, I'm going to tell you guys how I'm going to justify spending, well, $6,500 on this shoe. That's a lot. It is. But I'm going to tell you guys, first of all, how I'm justifying it, why I'm going to do what I'm going to do. You guys, I think, would make sense. So, here's my plan. First of all, $6,500 is a lot. I'm going to put in, no problem, spend like $1,000. So, $1,000 for them, cool. The other $5,500. Basically, my plan is this. A, sell some shoes in my collection that I'm not wearing, that I don't really need, want, care for. Yeah, they're cool at the time, but I don't really care about it. I never wore it. It could go. Right? That type of mentality with it. If it's not a must, an absolute must, Right now, I'm at the point where I'm getting rid of it or just don't keep it. Right? I'll still buy shoes, definitely for content, but I'm talking about for personal collection where I don't sell the shoe, then it's going to be a little bit more strict. So here's my plan going forward. A, sell some shoes, right, from the collection. Probably about $1,000, maybe $1,500 worth. Nothing too crazy, but a little bit of money right there. B, I plan on, of course, I'm going to do this because I definitely want to get some of this money back. I plan on dropping merch, so make sure you guys stay tuned and hit that thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe. I'm going to have Do Not Sell merch very soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I want to make some money back from it. I also want to give you guys a really good t-shirt that I think represents the Moore family and, you know, can really take more than just the Moore family and take it to a whole nother level. So I do have ideas, so merch. Definitely get some of the money back. It'll take time for that, but that'll definitely help. And C, most importantly, slow the hell down on sneaker releases. Yes, I'm going to have to, of course, buy shoes for content. YouTube is my full time. Besides that, as far as actually keeping things, tone it down like crazy. Like crazy. I don't plan on... Do I? No, I don't think I really plan on keeping maybe 3 or 4 pairs left for the rest of the year, and they're all not going to be expensive. Nothing too crazy. I'm talking maybe $200-$300 at the most. Pretty much it. So yeah, there'll be maybe 3 or 4 more pairs throughout the year I'll actually wind up keeping, and my birthday's next month, so that'll be some birthday gifts. There's plenty of things I'm going to be able to do to get some back of the money here for the Dior Air Jordan 1s. Thank you guys so much. This is absolutely crazy. I'm speechless. Thank you. You guys have truly changed my life and allowed me to buy my dream grail sneaker here, the Dior Jordan 1 Highs. Thank you guys so much. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for changing my life. The Diors are here. My dream shoes. Thanks for watching, guys. We out.